And now, of course, we have saved the best for the last. And I would like to welcome Jaroslav here again. Jaroslav has been mentoring me a year ago when I joined MapTiler, and now he has to take care about another kit, the GeoSplats. So it's yours.
Okay. Many thanks, Jakub. As Peter mentioned in his keynote, one of the most exciting innovations we are going to unveil today are GeoSplats. So let's dive into it together. MapTiler's vision is to help everyone understand the world better. But can you really understand the world from a 3D map of this quality? 2 weeks ago, I was at the largest geospatial expo, Intergeo, and the most of the 3D models I saw there look exactly like this. Very rough representation of reality with low details and blurry textures. But there were also a few 3D models created with the latest 3D technology called Gaussian Splatting. But these splats usually cover just a small area because of web viewer limits. And as you can see here, the 3D models are just floating in the middle of nowhere, missing one important thing: map. If we truly want to help everyone understand the world better, we need to take the 3D maps to an entirely new level. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce GeoSplats, a MapTiler AI-ready technology powered by Gaussian Splatting, which unlocks the ability for developers and map creators to build immersive maps with photorealistic 3D models. Isn't it cool? The GeoSplats are enhanced Gaussian splats, a point cloud with additional parameters like color, transparency, size, and orientation. Each GeoSplat is accurately positioned using GPS or manually, and combined with our 3D terrain and any MapTiler base map, including your custom ones created in MapTiler map editor. You'll have two options how you can create GeoSplats. You can use your existing splats or upload point clouds and images from drones, mobile mapping systems, and handheld scanners. Our processing pipeline can handle input data of any size. So you can create GeoSplats of entire cities or even larger areas. GeoSplats have a unique level of detail system. It's specifically designed for Gaussian splatting and optimized for web publishing. Here you can see how the tiles are loaded as we pan and zoom the map. Publishing a huge number of splats in a web browser in real time requires a completely new approach. Our splat renderer is the first built entirely on the new web GPU standard, which delivers far greater performance than the older WebGL. But performance is just the beginning. Web GPU brings an entirely new generation of capabilities for streaming 3D maps. One of these benefits is achieving higher and more stable frame rates, which means that maps stay perfectly smooth when you zoom, pan, or rotate, or even when working with large 3D models. Quality of GeoSplats is something you notice immediately. These lookout models were created from the same dataset, using different technologies, 3D Mesh and GeoSplats. And look at the GeoSplats, how realistic they are. GeoSplats are transforming the way we see the world through maps. We have spent a lot of time refining the model reconstruction process with one ultimate goal: create 3D models with realistic light, color, and the highest detail in the industry. Here is the result, and I'm super proud of it. GeoSplats open a new era of web maps, empowering you to build entirely new type of map applications with photorealistic 3D models that help everyone to understand the world better. With GeoSplats, you don't just view a 3D model on a map, you experience reality itself. And today, we are also launching the GeoSplats beta program for MapTiler customers and partners. And I would like to invite you to be part of this exciting innovation. Join our beta and let's create GeoSplats from your own data together. With more details about it and demos are now available on the product page, maptiler.com/geosplats. And if you'd like to build the next generation of maps with us, visit the career page on our website, and let's work together. Thank you very much.
Together, we create the maps for tomorrow. MapTiler, making maps easy to help everyone understand the world better.